Yo, what's going on? I was gonna get long in here. Definitely the best trade right here was like either this inversion. Not trading this NQ this week became buy to say hi. Yeah, bro, it's pretty wild. Thank you for stopping by though, bro. This is definitely the best trade right here. I was in gold right now, but I cut it for like us really basically break even. Might try getting in again. Good morning, Daybot. That's a loyal viewer right there. See, I wonder if price considers these highs because technically, I think like the overall Nasdaq is already making all-time highs. The QQQs. You got railed. I haven't been trading that much, honestly. So hopefully I don't get railed. Yeah, bro, it's rough. But honestly, there's a possibility that we trade lower here. We took all this buy side. This is kind of a smart money reversal. And then we have this fair value up. Or this fair value gap becomes inverted and we just trade higher. Yeah, that's cool. DM me, Jose. That would be cool. I might take a minute to answer. I was up all night, so I'm probably gonna take a nap after this. But so I'm looking for shorts. What about you? I'd I'd like to see shorts only if we're able to have like a good amount of displacement lower. Because right now we're super bullish. Like this inversion, if we invert this, that's making me very bullish. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, bro. So it came down, wicked out right there. We left Asia low though. There's a possibility we honestly head back to it. Yeah, honestly, guys, I'm gonna look for shorts just because, like, it doesn't make sense to look for longs. Um, like, it makes sense, but in terms of risk to reward, like, entering up here is too much in a premium, anyways. So, we'll just have to wait. Either we trade to discount and then we get a long setup, or, yeah, I'm not too interested in forcing it. Good afternoon, Bryce, Michael. What's going on? Okay, we hit the 5 minute. I don't think this is gonna happen, but yeah, that'd be a nice trade. So I'm thinking right now, this 5 minute fair value gap, we're in somewhat of a discount now. So I'm more interested in possibility of taking longs. We could invert this. It's a really lame trade, but what are you gonna do? See some speed in here. And I'll hit buy. Calling the ICT market makers. Are you guys bullish or bearish? Let's look at gold right now. I think it's GC. This also looks like a really good setup. Let me see right here. We took all this sell side, we took a daily low. I'm kind of looking at some of these highs in here. I don't know what you guys think about that. Like overall, we might be bearish, but we're kind of in between two PD areas. And I think gold is always like kind of bullish, so that's just what I think. Ooh. We inverted there. It's kind of weak though. if we get any momentum, I'm going to go break even right away. Honestly, guys, I don't know if I'm feeling this position. We're just hanging out. We also have SMT with the high. Going straight to break even. Hopefully it just runs. If not, that's too bad. We're in a 5-minute fair value gap. In reverse, a bullish fair value gap, I will buy. See, guys, I always do this so like we might run to our TP, but I always want more. Like I'm a little greedy when it comes to taking profit. Like 325, that's kind of light. Why can't I just aim for this up here? You know what I mean? I'll just keep this right now. See what price does. If we hit break even, it is what it is. Oh, we're so close. Alright, guys. Risk was managed. It's okay with me. We're not really getting a strong push. And we have SMT with the high. I have a feeling we might just trade lower. Going to actually just take all of this down because I have way too much. Alright, I'm gonna wait. And just watch price for now. We're getting a lot of momentum now. The reason why I like this position is there was a lot of momentum. That's about all I like about it. There we go. See if we could push to this high. We're gonna try it again. Break even. Probably my last trade if it doesn't work out. That's rough, guys. It's a break even. Yeah, it's rough. I think this whole range right here, we're probably just gonna it's really what it is. It's because we took these highs, but then like we're bullish, but we took these highs and we're sitting in a like this liquidity is nested inside of this fair value gap, so we're really not like pushing anywhere. Let's take a look at gold. I'm looking at gold and it's looking a bit more bearish now, in my opinion. This is a pretty good setup right here. This high kind of manipulation. Light size. By the way, I've been watching gold. I didn't just make that decision on the fly. I just like the closure of these two candles right here. Technically, this next one should be bearish, and we have this fair value gap, but if it was to become inverted, then we would trade lower. Could potentially add more size onto it. Not aim for a lot, because New York session. Maybe I could aim for this. New York session's usually choppy. I'll see right now. Going to lessen my risk quite a bit. I want to see that price just drop like a needle. And keys finally going. Yo, what's the difference between a funded account and a personal account? Funded account is with a prop firm like this. This is what I trade right here. All these three are funded accounts with the prop firm, and then obviously there's rules to it. You have to get a payout to get paid, all that kind of stuff. You don't own the money. You until it hits your bank account, it's not your money. So personal account is just like a brokerage account you open with a normal broker. You're trading your own money. No rules. That's like the main thing. I mean, it's your own money. You're risking a lot more. This looks good. Need to clean this up again. Kind of see what we're working with. That's a nasty inversion. It's a nasty inversion, guys. I feel like I have to take it. If it inverts, might not invert right now. It's one of those setups where like it's so clean. Like all of these lows right here. Kind of feel like you have to take it. Alright, thankfully, we don't have to take it. I was gonna crash out. 5 minute. We got one more minute. We'll see if this gives us a setup. I want to add into this if we can. We didn't invert it. We're looking really good though because we closed down below this swing point. So I don't really want to touch my stop. Normally I go break even. We have really light risk on, and I want to kind of keep that risk wide as possible. So I think what will end up happening is NQ trades higher, possibly to making new highs, and gold just keeps falling. What do you guys think? I'll probably end the stream in a few minutes. I'll probably just get off the charts, take a little nap, let my trade run. But it goes, it goes. Price is reacting well to this order block. We look solid, guys. Freaking solid. We look solid, guys. Bangers. Mangas. Mangas and mash. What's up, Naveen? What's going on? Another familiar face. Let's cook, guys. We're cooking. We're cooking right now. Now the question is, should I add into this trade? It's a big decision. I think I should. Probably enter somewhere in here. If it lets me. If it runs, even better. If it hits this low and I'm not able to get a position in, then I'll just let it run. Look good so far. NQ is pulling up to those highs. Honestly, guys, I don't really want to add into this trade. It's a good trade. It's just something about how we're overextended. Like we've already had quite a bit of expansion. I just kind of want to wait. My TP is gonna be like this initial low. Just because I measured it out, there's about negative 2 standard deviations based off the Asia range, so I think that's a good spot to keep it up. I think it's time to part ways, guys. More all-time highs on NASDAQ. XAU is trading lower. I think we're going to do fine. I'll catch you guys in the next one.